Hello, this is Nikki Fan 18, and we're going ghost hunting again.
It's only me and Tyler.
Yep, there's Jerry. We don't have Matt now. He's supposed to be coming sooner or later.
What?
We have practice. Well, it's in there. That's the center stage area. And hopefully he comes sooner or later, because we need him.
It's nighttime.
Ooh, some of these lights are on. They fixed these, didn't they?
No.
Didn't it used to be dark? Oh, yeah. Anything in there?
And guys, we found a secret light switch.
Oh, yeah. There goes the light.
That's just so we can see everything.
Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Did you hear that? It was like, I heard it. Here's outside. Sit down there. Did you hear that squeak? I heard it. I did that. Where? Right there. Oh, there's a dead bat right there. See if we catch anything. Oh, that's the basketball. Nice. Dude, it's freezing down here. What? Do you see something? I heard something. Did you hear that? What? It was like a... I thought I heard something. Way up in our stomach. I heard it.
Oh my god, there's a little cubby hole.
No, don't. That's the car. You hear that? Dude, that was like a...
Oh god. I heard it go loud.
Okay, we heard a... Well, we heard like a... Oh, just to let you know about this place, this used to be a school. These used to be the classrooms. Yes, there was a massacre. Dude, no, turn it back on.
Okay.
And, well, 10 people died here. 10 kids in the school. And then, a lot of years later, there was a flood down there. Everything got flooded. That's why there's so much damage. There's some facts about the place. And this is me. Yep, there's Jerry. Okay.
Okay.
I wish Matt was here. Maybe he's here right now. Go look.
Okay.
I'll stay here. Whoa. Okay.
That's not coming. Yeah, it's on out. Hey, I need you here because we need to get started.
I know. That's not coming.
Why? Want to go down again? Should we? I kind of feel like I want to go down. Did you hear that? It sounded like it was a... I thought I heard... Oh, look at that. You could see the difference. Wait, which one is not cracked? That one.
The one I know. Whoa.
You could barely see Jerry through there. Here, come on, go behind it. Now go to the other side. Oh, now you can't see him. Looks like there's a crack in your forehead. Okay, let's stop fooling around. That was an echo.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa. you hear that down there?
What? A squeak?
Yeah, that wasn't from here. That sounded like it came from down there. Jeez, don't knock the thing over.
Bang.
Just catching down there. Dude, that moved.
I know.
That just moved.
I didn't touch it.
Dude, that was facing
door.
that way, and it just moved that way. No, seriously. Did you hear that? Did you hear voices? I heard voices somewhere down here. It was like a... Whoa. Dude. Weird things are happening. Kinda.
You know what's weird? If this is by electricity and that's not going off.
Whatever.
Maybe the ghost activated it. Did you just hear it? It was like,
Oh, here comes my dad.
well, that's the
We're
end.
coming.
No.
We're coming.
Okay, that's
We're
good.
going after practice.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Don't even think about it.
This is not a video, so
I don't care. You're not going.
Subscribe.
my dad's mean.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
To me
Subscribe.
and Tyler.
Yep. Okay, bye.
Especially me.
Yeah. Hey, no, I'm better than you. My videos
No,
are
I'm better.
Okay, enough with this. Okay, bye. Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.